Did you notice anything different about this? If you didn't, I have to be a little concerned for you. But this, I'm just gonna kind of reduce everything. It's your guys' fault. So you guys can kind of see. This is an early version of Ollie Tag. Not early version, a beta version. It has color changing. We've added color changing through the color changing codes. So you'll start off as I don't want to change this code. So you're gonna start off as this yellow monkey. Not really yellow monkey. It also has a save button. You'll start off with the name, and it'll be yellow. You can also then change your name, change your color code to your Gorilla Tag color code, then click save, and it will be a different color code. Added multiple different hats, so I'm not going to show those to you because you have to play this when it releases, of course, in like a week because I just released the last update. I'm going to find some other random stuff to add to this version. Yeah, it's really cool. That still didn't have any sound on it, so if we also realize that that's not the right texture, it's not the same texture as all the other walls, so I had to fix that. The only thing that still doesn't have hit sounds is a random orb. Well, and the cube doesn't have hit sounds. Yeah, you can change your color. You can save object. You can save your name and color by just pressing the save button. You can also I'll show you one of them. You will have to hold to turn on cosmetics right now. For some reason, like though right here. Also, if you see like some weird facial they aren't showing anymore. You used to like show a little glitch on your eyes, but that doesn't actually show in VR. Basically, yeah. You have to hold it, otherwise it will fix itself? No. But hit it. Hold it until it turns on. There we go. Got the top hat, of course, the original top hat. It's like really easy to switch cosmetics. However, handmade cosmetic name. My name. Okay, I need to show them all to you. The green and blue hat. I think I'm gonna make the top one be a grass hat. Like a grass and wood hat. Wouldn't that look funny and cool if you were freaking wearing a grass and bark hat? That's actually what this is. This isn't stone. This is just a bark texture that looks a lot more like stone, so I use it for stone. It is stone, basically. I'm going to rename it to stone. This is like one of my favorites. I'm trying to... It's the hardest one to get on, though. Yeah, there we go. The red and white hat. Have you ever let that really weird fedora on Roblox? Well, now you have it here. Also, it's not here in Ollie. You have it here in Ollie Tag. I'm going to disable everything. What was I going to say? Jesus. There are a lot of lost versions of Ollie Tag. Well, not lost. You can't, there's no hand poses, so lost. They're not lost. They still exist. They're just on my hard drive. And you'll never get to play them because they're completely non-functional. There's one of them only has a PC version because it compiled horribly after I compiled the PC version. So I had to transfer over the scene and a lot of the materials to the project, which is building the release versions of Ollie Tag. Isn't the first version doesn't even have? The first version has these textures. The first version you can play on my Discord has these textures, right? It also still has the glitched block, which sometimes appears and sometimes doesn't. Like I'm talking about in Unity Editor and in the game. So you'll never get to play Ollie Tag version 0.1, Ollie Tag version Discord, Ollie Tag version Aussie, or Ollie Tag version or Ollie Tag version test or tag or tag version tag. That was an original going to be created version, but it was scrapped. It was a quick compile version because I needed to record a video about the game, but that never will release because it's a old unfinished version, and we don't talk about old unfinished versions, especially ones that still had the old textures that look like crap. You'll never know. Maybe one day I'll release the very first version of Ollie Tag. One day. It runs on normcore, so it would still be if you were able to make it work. Maybe you could recompile it and make it work again. Or if I reactivated my normcore, you can make it work again. It can make work with normcore again. So, yeah. This version won't be out for a while, as you'll see I'm recording this currently in the Unity editor. So, see you guys in the next one, or maybe even in the game, because I'm going to get on later. Bye! Ah! You spin me right round. Rabies. It's still recording, I forgot. So